So once you've established your tone of voice, that's your overarching way in which you like to show up for your audience, regardless of the platform. You're going to go into platforms, and I have a similar template built out there for you. And this tells Cowork how to format your content on each of your platforms. This is a simple example for the sake of this lesson. You can absolutely dive deeper if you're someone that's already showing up on our particular platform and you have more data points. However, if you're starting and you're going from 0 to 1, this is a great opportunity to just start simple, iterate, and like define what this really is for you moving forward. A good example of this is the newsletter. Every founder or business has a different format for their newsletter. So some people like to have a personalized opener with a unique idea before they dive into relevant news or thought leadership pieces. Some people like to have a whole article written based on one idea or concept. So whatever that is for you, you have the opportunity to build that out in your platform guidelines. And so you'll get that template after this. And then the third part is your ideas. So your ideas are going to live in a database, and it's going to be submitted through a Notion form, which we also have a template for you. Once you're able to do this, what's great about that form is you can pin it to your desktop. You can have it saved as a link in your phone. So anytime, anywhere that you have an idea, all you literally have to do is come in, write what the idea is, give it any context. And then if you happen to have inspo, let's say like you're doom scrolling on TikTok and you really like this piece and you want to replicate it, you can add the link in there for yourself at a later time. So that way, if you need copy to accompany perhaps a video, this will be saved so you can refer back to it without having to go back into your original social platform and search for that post that you saved somewhere else. So this is all living in the same database now.
This is cool. And something I want to add here is like this form is awesome. Like Notion forms are such a great way to capture ideas quickly. But I think, anywhere you could build the same workflow where you capture it from anywhere that makes sense to you. So whether that's, your Notes app or iMessage or WhatsApp or something like that could all kind of trigger this same kind of idea capture process. So if Notion Forms works for you, that's great. But if there's another method or another input area, you definitely could modify it to work in that. The process is the same either way.
Exactly. And what's great about this form is that we're going to build a Claude Cowork flow that takes all of the ideas that you've submitted that particular day and drafts based on the platforms that you need content for. So you're always going to come into a whole content bank full of written copy ready for you after we build this out today, which is pretty awesome. So you may ask, how does this work? So number one, it's going to work by you submitting your idea on your form. Cowork is going to do the writing, and then all you have to do is review and publish your piece.